Hi, Marianne.
Hi.
I would like you to please share with us your experience in your BioCell treatment. You do look so beautiful.
Coming from you. It's Mutual Admiration Club.
Yeah. Anyway, tell us what you were feeling before you had the therapies and then now that you've had 16 injections from last, when was that, March or so?
February.
February.
Or late January. So this is the 16th. You know, I didn't really have I didn't have any particular health issues.
Yes,
In
I
fact, I don't, at my age, I don't even have maintenance medicines because we've always believed in food supplements and eating right, the lifestyle that Vince is espousing. But then since the spouse has to go through the treatment, then this is the time that I can say that these things have happened. The improvement, like I have boundless energy.
Mhm.
I don't depend on my planner.
So that means your memory is
That means
really good.
the brain is working. And then even without the reminders or like the planner thing, I already know what to do for this week and the next and whatever things I have to do. And there were so many things that I couldn't do before. Like we have this loft where we put our storage, and I couldn't go there anymore the past year or so. But then when we had, like I said, I have a lot of energy. I organized garage sale to decongest that loft, and only to find out it was bursting with all the stuff of my mom's, my daughter, ours. But I couldn't climb the steps anymore because it's just a ladder going up there.
Mhm.
But they were amazed at home. How come she can do that now? I said, well, we used to know what I'm doing. So it was a very successful garage sale because, you know, even if you have people working for you, they do not know what to do unless you're the one to really tell them what to do.
Yes.
Like, you know, that Victoria. And then also I noticed quality sleep, even if it's just short.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes I sleep before 12 and by 1:30 I wake up for one reason or another, and it seemed like I already had a whole night's sleep and ready to start my day, but it's still dark, so we have to go back to sleep. And that's the nice part, because when you wake up at night, you can go back to sleep.
Mhm.
Others, they cannot anymore, they have a hard time.
Mhm.
But then Doctora says, you tell your brain to go to sleep. And then also my white hair, I don't have white hair right away now. Before I used to go to color my hair like every 4 weeks.
Uh-huh.
Now,
But now, no
6
more?
weeks na. Of course it will, but the time was extended.
50% longer.
My hairdresser said, you did not come last month. And I said, oh, I did, but it was already on the next month, the first week of the next. No, and then she would insist, no, I know naman my schedules. Pero I really noticed right away, you see white hairs on the sides.
Yes.
But now not so much anymore. So that's it. Energy, of course, I'm very positive. We have to be positive.
Have people noticed the difference?
Yeah, like I have this cousin who went out a few days ago, and then she kept looking at me because she hadn't seen me since January.
Mhm.
Then she said, there's something new with you. Did you have your nose done? I said, what? What? How much would that cost? I don't think I can. I don't have that budget for that. Why are you saying? And then she said, there's really something I cannot pinpoint. And I said, why? I look younger? And then she said, yes, definitely, because we're the same age.
Uh-huh.
Parang, she wanted to look at the mirror again. Why is she looking that way? And I'm looking that way. Because she's always had one. She has always wanted to have her nose done.
Ah.
But then her children said, Mom, if anything happens to you there, when it's cosmetic surgery pala, hindi kasama daw sa
Insurance.
If
Yes, that's
anything.
true.
That's why she's a little frustrated because she has to live with it. But then here I am, I didn't have much problem. Not really, no? But
Yeah.
then she said, you really had your nose done? Sabi ko, you're so much into nose fixing now, ha? Kasi it's always in your mind, but I did not have it done, I told her. But I couldn't divulge it. It has to be at the proper time pa. Yeah, so I would like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Vicarier for giving for enlightening us and giving us all these opportunities to have a better health, well-being, and happiness with by yourself.
Thank you very much, Marianne.